All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is October 14th, 2024. My name is John Carrigan. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Hey, let's go take a look at some charts. All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is October 14th, 2024. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB Trading Room. Thank you for being here today. Today's SPY pivot was 577.70. Above it, I'm a bull. Below it, I'm a bear. We were up above it all day. We took green erases red entries. First green erases red was right here. There's the red candles. There's the pullback. Here's the price action. Green erases red. You had an entry from the get-go right here at 581.18 or lower, 581.84. All right, so here's your entries all day. We rode this thing all the way up to 585. All right, so there's 10-minute. There's the 10-minute chart, and we're closing with 10-minute cross. It's really a 10-minute uptrend. Again, it'll be green erases red tomorrow morning. Over 585.10 would be a bullish entry, as long as it's not a doji candle, a topping tail candle, or a red candle. All right, so there's your entry for tomorrow. Looking good here on SPY 10-minute. Got a 10-minute cross here. It might never cross. We'll see. Price action, moving up, holding the higher ground. Moving up, holding the higher ground. This is bullish activity. This is exactly what you want to look for when you're looking for longs. Moving up, holding the higher ground. Move up, hold the higher ground. This is beautiful. This is excellent price action. All right, so let's go take a look at the 2-hour. And on the 2-hour, we got price on top of the 3, on top of the 8, okay? We have ourselves a 2-hour uptrend. All right, so what we do is we drill down and we look at the 10-minute chart. And we look for 10-minute uptrends inside our 2-hour uptrend. And we look for green erasing red. There's our entry right there. Boom. And you could have rode it up all the way to 585 if you're willing to hold it all day. All right, so price action looking good. I don't see any parabolic activity yet. This is good to go for tomorrow. Look for that 10-minute uptrend. Tomorrow morning, maybe a pullback to minor support here. And then a quick rip up. Back up to the consolidation area. We'll see what happens. There's a 2-hour chart. Daily chart. Oh, let's just get something different so you can see what's going on. Daily chart. Okay. SPY. Brand new all-time highs today. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Okay. This is bullish. Price action up over the prior all-time high right there. And another prior high right there. Okay, so you can see this is an uptrend, all right, within over the all-time high anchored VWAPs. This is an indication that, to me, money is flowing into the market, all right, because you and I, we cannot make these indices pop like this, all right? We just don't have enough capital. This is institutional buying right here. You want to buy, I like to buy right alongside the institutions. I want to sell when they sell. I want to buy when they buy. All right, so here's institutional buying. We have an uptrend over the all-time high anchored VWAP or a prior all-time high anchored VWAP. And you can see what do we got today? Completely rewarded with new all-time highs for SPY. Okay, that's bullish. All right, moving up, holding the higher ground. That's bullish. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one, QQQ. All right, QQQ doing the same deal, all-time high right here, anchored VWAP, price action in an uptrend. You can see it clearly. Price is on top of the 3. 3 is on top of the 8. All 3 on top of a rising or a flat 17 EMA. And we can see that clearly right here. All right. So there we go. Price action moving up, creating higher lows and higher highs. This is bullish. No reason to get bearish yet. All right. There's QQQ, uptrend. SPY, uptrend. Let's take a look at FNGU. FNGU, price action. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. This is an uptrend, making higher highs. Higher low, higher high. That's an uptrend. Okay, so price action acting bullish here. All-time high up there. Let's see if we can put an anchored VWAP on that. This is the prior all-time high right here. Price action is in an uptrend over the all-time high anchored VWAP. Clear indication money is flowing into the market. All right, that's FNGU. That's the big caps. All right, let's take a look at Diamond Dow. All right, Diamond Dow printing new all-time highs today and Friday and Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, no, not quite. Okay, Friday and today, new all-time highs. Okay, Diamond Dow, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over a hooking 17. All right, this is bullish. Higher lows, higher highs. That's an uptrend. Okay, no reason to get bearish yet. Okay, so there's Diamond Dow. Let's take a look at IWM. IWM, all right, 2024 high anchored VWAP. Price action is up over it, okay? You have an uptrend over the 2024 high anchored VWAP. This is money flowing into the market. This is where you want to be bullish, all right? We had a 20 or 30-day meltdown right here, okay, where they went up and they just melted over to the side. Everything bullish here on IWM, making higher lows and higher highs. That's an uptrend. Okay, so there's IWM making another double bottom higher low right here. Look for price action to come up and challenge that high. Probably going to come tomorrow or the next day. IWM is bullish. All right, so let's take a look at our technicals. T2122 spent the day in the buy zone and pushed the bears back to close the day in the overbought zone. It can hang out here for 6, 7, even 10 days, all right? Okay, just because we're here doesn't mean we're selling off. Okay, it can hang out here for 10 days. This is T2122. Let's take a look at T2123. Brand new all-time highs for T2123. This thing is smoking hot. Okay, T2123. I'm just saying, we're set up. We got a lot of stuff in uptrends. All right, reaching new all-time highs. This is a perfect scenario for price action to start going parabolic. All right, just when you think it's high, it can go higher. All right, so be prepared for it. Have a couple of trailers, you know, ready to just ride whatever's going to be left for this rally. T2123 3-bar. You can see here's the price action opening up some space between the rising 17 EMA. All right, you can see 3 more green candle bars. Here's the ripping 200 SMA on the 3-bar, passing right through 2 prior all-time highs right here. Got 2 prior all-time highs. There's another one right there. Probably get up over that. Look at this price action. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful thing here, folks. Okay, everything's bullish. Everything's looking really good. So there's T2123 3-bar. Go back to the 15-minute. You can see here's price action bouncing off a rising 200 SMA, picking up some spinach and popping out of there. Love that. That's T2123 15-minute chart. There's the spinach Popeye right there. FNGU. FNGU today ripped up, made a higher high than it did yesterday. Kind of came back and held the higher ground. So we had a pop up and then just kind of held this area right here. I really think it's going to pop up again. All right. You can see here's the catch on the 200 SMA. Price action gets up above it and then catches and then rips back up and makes a higher high. Love that. That's bullish. Price action moving up, holding the higher ground. Again, that's bullish. Okay? You move up and then you hold the higher ground. That's bullish. Okay? FNGU, bullish, all right? T2123, all right? Let's take a look one more time. T2123, okay? A move up. Okay, move up and then hold the higher ground. All right, that's what we're looking for, price action like that. Okay, this is beautiful price action we're getting. All right, it's T2123. Let's go take a look at a few sectors. We'll call it a day. Let's get back to the right chart here. Okay, start off first, SMH. Earnings coming out, so things could start popping with those. I know we had some inflation here. That means it's going to be some more revenue coming in for all these earnings. And if management's got their act together, that revenue is going to transcend to the bottom line. All right. The top line is the revenue intake. The bottom line is the profit on the P&L. All right. So we're looking for those top lines to transcend down to the bottom lines. All right. So here's SMH. Making higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. Uptrend right here. Semiconductors. Okay, no question about it. Higher low, higher high. Higher low. See that? Higher high. Up over, let's see. All-time high anchored VWAP in an uptrend. That's what you want to play. Those all-time high anchored VWAPs, and you got price action. This is a rare opportunity to find this. Okay, normally you can't find this. Is find those all-time highs and see price action in a daily uptrend over those all-time high anchored VWAPs. This is a gift. This is something we don't find very often. You see right here, look at all of July underneath the all-time high anchored VWAP. Look at August. We only spent about 10 days there and then we gave it up. Okay, look at September. Okay, most of September underneath the all-time high anchored VWAP. Then we got the last week right there. We spent our time over it, but melting the whole time. Okay, this is a rare opportunity. Take advantage of this. This is your chance to really get your account to grow. Okay, those uptrends over the all-time high anchored VWAPs. Okay, so take advantage of these opportunities you're getting right now. Okay. See this right here? Price action, not over all-time high anchored VWAPs. All right? So when you've got price over all-time high anchored VWAPs and it's moving up in a 2-hour uptrend, a 1-hour uptrend, take advantage of this. This is really good. This is the easiest way to get your account to grow. All right? It's finding those uptrends. It shows you that the money is flowing into that security, into that index, into that ETF. All right, this is SMH. Let's take a look at XLK. All right, here's XLK, all-time high, anchored VWAP, price action in an uptrend. Okay, doesn't get any prettier than this. All right, uptrend right there. All right, got ourselves an uptrend over the all-time high anchored VWAP. Money is coming in to the technology sector. Money is coming into the semiconductor sector. Okay, this doesn't happen all the time. When you get these opportunities, take advantage of this, traders. Okay, let's take a look at XLI. All right, XLI on Friday, brand new all-time highs. On Wednesday, brand new all-time highs. And today, brand new all-time highs. There was my target. I said it was my target for like 3 weeks. There's the target right here, right on top. See the top of that box? There we are, busting out the target right there. New all-time highs. Okay, price action. I mean, I don't need to say anything else. It's making new all-time highs. If it's not bullish now when it's making new all-time highs, it'll never be bullish, all right? Higher low, higher high. This thing's in an uptrend. It's making new all-time highs. Nothing else needs to be said. Just drill down, find something that's moving up here, making new all-time highs, and jump in. That's a river of money flowing up, flowing, all right? All you got to do is fall into that river of money, all right? XLI, uptrend, okay? Technology sector, uptrend. Semiconductors, uptrend. Industrials, uptrend. XLF. See what XLF is doing. Oh my gosh, here we go again. New all-time high, okay? Financial sector, uptrend, okay? Look at the price action. Price action moving up, consolidating to the right, and then you got to move up. This is bullish. This is rare opportunity. Don't miss out on this uptrend, okay? Price is working. You've got a bull market. Here's the all-time high anchored VWAP. Here's price action making a higher low. Here's price making a higher high. You hear me say this all the time, okay? Price makes a higher low. There will be pressure on the bulls to make the higher high, okay? Bingo right there, all right? XLF. Look for those uptrends over those all-time high anchored VWAPs. There's your clear indication money's flowing into that security. That's opportunity. 3 times. Opportunity, opportunity, opportunity. Okay? Daily uptrend. Moving up, holding the higher ground, and then we get another move up. Okay? This is really beautiful stuff here. All right? XLF, uptrend. So now you got financials in an uptrend. You got what else we got? Industrials in an uptrend. You've got semiconductors in an uptrend. You've got technology in an uptrend. Okay, what else do we need? All right, let's take a look at XLU. Let's take a look at the utilities. All right, let's take a look at XLU. Okay, XLU in an uptrend. Okay, we won't be in a downtrend till they break this low. Look at that move up. Okay, there's no consolidation. Okay, here's the next pivot all the way back here. XLU in an uptrend, just had a pull back. Now it's moving up. Okay, that's new all-time highs for XLU. See that? That's all-time high right there. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days ago. 7 trading days ago was a new all-time high for XLU. This thing's on fire. It's so on fire, it's got to rest. I mean, they've been running for all of July, all of August, all of September, all of October. They're like out of breath. They're like, hey, come on, we got to rest, John. All right, so here's XLU, uptrend, all right? So you got utilities uptrend, industrials uptrend, financials are in an uptrend. Semiconductors are in an uptrend. Technology's in an uptrend. T2123 is in an uptrend. SPY's in an uptrend. All of the Fab 5 are in uptrends. Even the FNGU, the mega caps, are in an uptrend. This is a really great market, okay? So there's XLU. Let's take a look at the last one. We got 2 more. XRT. Okay, retail sector, moving up, holding the higher ground. See the 50-yard line? That's the dashed line right here. Okay, price action, holding over the 50. Okay, that's bullish price action right there. Okay, I really like it when it's up in the upper third. Okay, but it's not there yet. I even like it better when it's in the upper quarter. Okay, so what do we got? We've got a higher low here, but a failure to make a higher high. We've got a higher low here, and there'll be pressure on the bulls to make that higher high. They still haven't done it yet. This is the retail sector. All right? But let me just say this. This is a year long in the making, all right? Here's some move up, and now we've been consolidating, all right, for about 9 months right here. See this? Move up, consolidating in a really long bull flag, okay? Okay, the next move is, yeah, that's where it goes. Up there. All right, so we'll see what happens there. Okay, XRT. There's no reason why it shouldn't go up there. You know why? Because of all the inflation we've had, okay, they're all going to make higher revenues, all right? Unless they forgot to move their price up. Okay, price up, inflation, hold the higher ground. All right, now when those revenues come in, transcend to the bottom line, oh yeah, this is going to be the breakout to the upside. All right, there's XRT. Watch those earnings, people. Okay, let's take a look at transports. Last one, IYT. Okay, transports, guess what? All-time high right there. Okay, that's an all-time high. See us up over that? All right, so we make another new all-time high today in the transports. Let me just say this. When the transports are on fire, that means products selling off the shelf, products being put back on the shelf, okay? That's a clear indication of sales, all right? Now we're just waiting for the XRT to make a rip, all right? So here's product being put back on the shelf, shipped to the store, put on the shelf for consumers to buy, all right? So there's XRT making brand new all-time high, IYT. Okay, markets bullish, making higher lows, and guess what? Making higher highs. Okay, all-time high anchored VWAP, that's the blue line. Price action in an uptrend over the blue line. That's definitely bullish. Okay. All right, I'll take a few questions and then I'm going to call it a day until tomorrow. I just recovered from a hurricane, if you didn't know it. I'll see everybody tomorrow at 8 o'clock. If you got any questions, go ahead and ask me now. I'm here. If not, we'll just call it a day tonight. You got public e-learning with Doug in the free room. Thanks, B12. Way to go, Brad. Love it. Thank you, Judy. Thank you as well. Thank you for sharing. Judy shared CEG with us today. Thanks, JA. Thanks, Scott B. Thank you, everybody. All right. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. At 8 o'clock in the morning. The market's bullish. Don't miss out on this opportunity. You've got uptrends over the all-time high anchored VWAPs. This is where you really make your account grow. All right. Until then, see you guys tomorrow. I want to thank everybody out there in digital land, and I'm talking about Facebook and Rumble and YouTube and Instagram and Twitter. Anybody that's out there that's listening to me that finds my content valuable, all right, or worth your time. I appreciate it. I like the kind comments. I like everybody that spend that. I mean, I'm glad I earned your valuable time. I'm just saying today, all right, this is the week. Things could get going parabolic. We'll see. All right. I said 580 for a couple weeks now. All right. I still think 600 is in the crosshairs. All right. 600 still in the crosshairs. Okay, traders, tomorrow morning, do it again, all right, 8 o'clock. I had a rocking good day, okay, rocking great day. Even with my $4,000 loss right there, all right, still made like almost 8K. So, not a bad day. Not a bad day. All right, see you at 8 tomorrow. Have a great night.